The Avalon DRL provides a comfortable spot for everyone. When you can have the whole family on a craft that has plenty of together room, it is the best of times. The DRL's unique extra roomy, double-wide rear lounge can be used for sunbathing, a gathering place for conversation, or playing games with the kids. The forward seating also provides cruising comfort. The driver will enjoy a high-quality fiberglass helm stand and plush chair as well. While everyone is having fun, they will experience a smooth, comfortable ride on the standard triple pontoons. Find your secret spot with the Avalon DRL.